Hi everyone, welcome back. Cryptocurrency market. We were looking at the Bitcoin. I wanted to follow up here and give you some of my insights with regards to the latest developments we had here. Quite interesting actually. You remember this setup because I have it here for probably about 2 months or so. When price was starting to move upwards, I noticed that it could be potentially the first upside leg in a trading range that might develop. And price did actually produce the second leg when it went down from the higher section to the lower section and began to turn around again. But it wasn't sustainable, right? I mean, it did broke the mid-low key level, and I want you to take notice of this particular level. It's it's our main point of reference right now, 6403. Now price pushed above that level, and it went pretty well straight to the opposite section, right? But it didn't make it. Roughly in the middle of the way, it went all the way back and based itself for a few days actually below 6403. Now I reminded myself that this is just a daily chart. I shouldn't take any of this too seriously. What I should be focusing on is the monthly close. Especially in the cryptocurrency market, the monthly close is the most important technical element. I mean, in other markets, the weekly close also plays an important role. Here in the cryptocurrency market, it is mostly the monthly close. So yet once again, let me remind you, the level 6403. I'm going to take you to the monthly chart to show you what's happening here with regards to that particular level. And like I said, the close of the month, that's what's important. And you can see this level here, 6403. Take a look at what happened here in the last 3 months. So first, price was crashing that level on the upside, but it actually was unable to push forward above the mid-high key level, right? It did spike it, but it closed below. Then price came straight back to the mid-low again, and take a look, spiked it once. That was on August. Last month, spiked it again, right? And this month, this is the third consecutive attempt to challenge that level from above. All spikes, all have failed, right, on the monthly close here. So I think this level is a very special one, very strong support, and it's kind of I think it's a solid floor, and will hold and will propel price to build up some positive momentum at some point. So I'm pretty much bullish right now on the Bitcoin. We definitely want to see some action coming from the daily chart as well. We did see some action 3 days ago with a sudden upside move, but it didn't end up as well as it looked like at the beginning. Left just a huge spike here. By the way, it doesn't mean anything. I actually think price is going to go up from that point on, straight to that 7854. Right? I do have a small position in place. I intend to keep it small at the moment. But I definitely aim at 7854 here, which is the mid-high key level, and it is my official price target. So we'll see how it goes. We got a bullish outlook here, but we're taking this from a short-term perspective. So once we get out of that particular setup, namely the top key level 9151 here, that will be the moment that I will be I'll consider to move into a bullish mode also from the long-term perspective. All right guys, that's about that for the Bitcoin. See you in the next video.